Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to the Sehat channel. This is Adeel Mansoor. Today we are going to talk about quinoa and its health benefits. So let's go and find more about it.
अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए।
Viewers, quinoa born in the heart of South America thousands of years ago. Quinoa originally called the mother grain by the Incas, but in the years they have passed, the grain has become known as superfood. Viewers, quinoa is not a grain. However, there are over 120 different varieties of quinoas. But we see quinoa in one of three main variants. White quinoa, it has a fluffy post-cooked texture and is more similar in texture to rice. The second type is red quinoa. Keep more of its shape and color after cooking, and red quinoa also has a heartier taste and chewier texture than the muted bitter taste of white quinoa. Third is black quinoa. It has a crunchier and sweeter flavor than the previous two variants. The seeds are gluten-free. The composition of quinoa is similar to wheat or rice when cooked. It is an excellent source of protein, a complete source as it contains all 9 essential amino acids. It also contains a good amount of fiber and minerals. Quinoa is also rich in folate, protein, fiber, magnesium, phosphorus, copper, iron and zinc. Let's know about the benefits of quinoa. Number 1. Quinoa is best for weight loss. Being high in protein, quinoa nutrition research show that the food can both increase metabolism and reduces appetite significantly. Further, the rich density of fiber can make you feel fuller for longer, which may work in suppress your appetite, making you eat fewer calories. Number 2, it helps to save your heart. Eating quinoa means lower levels of bad cholesterol, and this means a reduced risk of arteriosclerosis and coronary heart disease. Third benefit is quinoa improves the skin health. Viewers, quinoa is rich in vitamin B. It is the nutrient that helps to treat age spots and other conditions related to skin pigmentation by reducing the deposits of dark melanin in the skin. And the vitamin B12 in quinoa interacts with other B vitamins to maintain a healthy skin complexion. Number 4, quinoa helps to reduce inflammation in the body. Quinoa also contains compound called saponins, which studies have shown that it has anti-inflammatory properties. Number 5, it helps to fight cancer. A study shows that eating a bowl of quinoa daily can reduce the risk of premature death by cancer. So add it in your daily diet. Benefit number 6, it helps to fight diabetes and blood pressure. Quinoa is the whole grain, and the whole grains are great for diabetes. The fiber in quinoa doesn't raise your blood sugar level. Quinoa also contains good amount of magnesium, potassium and other nutrients that helps to lower your blood pressure. It also increases your iron. Now the 7th benefit is it increases iron. Quinoa is rich in iron. A diet adequate in iron can help prevent anemia. The mineral is required to make hemoglobin, which is part of the red blood cells that binds and carry oxygen in your blood. Number 8 is quinoa is good for gluten intolerance. Being high in fiber, quinoa is better choice for gut and digestive health than refined gluten alternatives like rice or potato flour. Benefit number 9 is it may improve your gut health. Quinoa may improve your gut health by enhancing the diversity of beneficial gut bacteria and reducing the inflammatory symptoms of conditions like colitis. Viewers, we hope you are going to add quinoa in your daily diet. It's a bit expensive, but it is so good for your health. So don't forget to add quinoa in your diet. Viewers, we also hope that you have liked today's video, so don't forget to comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you.